All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and well, people suck. Episode 2. Okay, so last Friday was a rather interesting day. So I'm sitting there talking to James, the new tech upstairs, not Bam Bam, a new James, and look over and watch one of our customers that came in for an oil change rotate proceed to pull out of our parking lot into oncoming traffic and hit an Expedition. Tore up his new Ranger, tore up their old Expedition. As I was leaving the shop, the place next door watched somebody back into somebody else in their parking lot as I'm driving down the road. Should have known to not continue going anywhere. I should have just parked it. Because, well, the reason why people suck is I was involved in a hit and run on Friday. An F650 was weaving in and out of traffic in Atlanta. Good idea. Anyway, I was passing him because my lane was moving, his wasn't. He pulled out, sideswiped my bed of my truck, basically destroyed the entire side of my bed. And I'm like, that's three accidents, you know, how things going, 3. So I pull over and slightly out of view of where he was. Now keep in mind, when he hit me, we both stopped. I stopped, he stopped. He knew he hit me. I proceeded to watch into my rearview mirror as he flew by where I pulled off. And unfortunately, I couldn't get the name of the truck because it was a small sign and I was looking in my rearview mirror. Yeah, people suck. Destroyed the side of my truck, and I'll try to put a picture up here. The picture I posted on Instagram doesn't do it well justice because it's a lot worse than it actually is. It's not. In the picture, it looks like it can be popped out and fixed with, you know, like paintless dent removal and, you know, a little touch-up or whatever. Yeah, no, it needs a bedside, so yay. But anyway, yeah, people suck. I tried to chase him down, but he was long gone. By the time I got turned around and went after him, he was gone. The people that watched it happen were gone. Nobody stopped. People just suck. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master, and people suck.